makes the most noise is a Jamaican proverb that teaches us about humility and substance. It suggests that those who lack knowledge or depth often make the loudest claims, seeking attention through words rather than action. Just as an empty barrel echoes loudly when struck, individuals with little to offer may use excessive noise to mask their emptiness. For example, in a discussion, someone truly knowledgeable may quite contribute meaningful insight, while someone less informed might dominate the conversation with exaggerated claim or irrelevant point. This proverb reminds us that true wisdom doesn't need loud declaration. It is speak through action, understanding and result. It encourages us to reflect on our behavior and value substance over show rather than trying to appear important. We should strive to gain general knowledge and skills. Ultimately, silence and humility may use often hold more power than empty noise. Thank you.